Kakalabas na namin ng
Zootopia 2!
yes! And this is time for another Cinegeeks Walk and Talk. I'm Roy.
And Angela!
And yes, as we mentioned, kakalabas na namin ng Zootopia 2.
In IMAX!
Yes, in IMAX. First off, thank you very much Disney for inviting us to see the film.
And SM Cinema.
And SM Cinema as well. So as usual, non-spoiler pa rin ang ating atake dito sa ating thoughts during this walk and talk. Okay, so first off, I guess let's start with you, Ange. What's one thing na you really loved about this installment of Zootopia?
Talaga yung signature Zootopia humor talagang it never fails. Like, there are jokes for the kids and also for the kids at heart like us. And blink and you'll miss it yung type of humor niya. Kaya talagang alam mo yun, parang sobrang at every turn may ako tumatawa.
Yes. There are, ano siya, parang siyang grabing rapid laugh a minute yung mga jokes niya. Hindi lang dahil sa mga haha na mga parang jokes, pero yung kahit yung mga visual gags. Sobrang nakakatawa yung mga, especially references and yung mga visual gags involving animals.
Ay, oo.
And what makes them them. Sobrang dami. Ako naman, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is nakakatawa yung evolution, yung continuation ng story. There are developments between characters na sobrang satisfying to say the least.
Oh my God.
And hindi ko papalagpasin yung opportunity to say na my favorite, one CM Punk is in here
and
as
Roman Reigns.
and Roman Reigns is here as one of the Zebros. Zebros. They still more Zebros please. Sana sa Zootopia 3 kasama na nila yung Zebros talaga. Kaya Zootopia 2 comes out in cinemas soon. It's in all formats, pero as usual we recommend if you can splurge for extra bit of cash, go for IMAX.
And bring your family, bring your kids. Sobrang tuwan-tuwa yung mga kids na kasabay namin, as in tawa sila ng tawa, diba? React sila ng react talaga.
Hindi ko na alam kung sino yung tawa ng tawa kanina, yung mga bata pa ba o kami pa eh.
Kasama rin tayo.
Kasama tayo doon.
Masaya din tayo.
Ay nako. It's a hearty recommendation for us for Zootopia 2. For this Cinegeeks Walk and Talk, I'm Roy.
And Angela.
We'll see you in the next one.